This is day 4 of working out every day to become the best version of myself after surgery. Now, this is the goal. This is my best version of myself, really. And then this is me now after surgery. Today I just started with therapy, and then I ended up lifting later in the day. But today I just didn't really want to lift today, but I ended up doing it, so I was happy with it. But hope you guys enjoy. See you on day 5.